welcome back to my channel, and today, as the title tells you, we're going to be making the origami snowball. So what's great about this origami is that you can use any type of paper for this. So you could use, for example, a plain white A4 piece of paper, so we don't actually need a square piece of paper this time. You can if you want to. So like I'm using simply a list of stuff that I should be doing, which I haven't done yet, as my piece of paper I'll be using today. Or you could use, for example, a letter that I should have sent back but I still haven't, and it says reminder of it. Or you could use this was actually like an envelope, this brown paper which has like really cute decorations on it, which obviously a snowball isn't this colour. Well, it is after people have trod on the snow a couple of times and then you try to make a snowball out of it. So you can use this, or you could use, for example, like wrapping papers, because obviously that's this is actually usually around my house more often than plain paper. Actually, plain paper I use quite a lot, so it like runs out pretty fast. So wrapping paper, since a lot of you might be buying it anyway to wrap your presents up for Christmas. Or you could be using coloured paper, so to spice it up a bit, like, you know, different coloured snowballs you could have to, like, you know, decorate around your house, so it's just not all plain white. So you could do that too if you want. But yeah, I'm not gonna be fancy today. I'm just gonna go with the basic white snowball, but you guys can use whatever you want. So what you need to do first of all is to fold it in half, like so, and it doesn't even mean to be like evenly folded in half. You can fold it like however you want. If it doesn't match like corner to corner, that is fine. And then you're gonna fold each of the sides of it into the center. So, gosh, it is hard when I'm not doing it on the table, which is why usually you don't see my face, it's just my hands, because I can't do it. But like, yeah, so I folded one side, then you fold the other side, and like I said, it doesn't need to be even, it's fine. So we fold it in like this. Okay, so that's perfect. And then after we fold it in, we kind of want to make a cone out of this. So what you'll be doing is going from the inside and taking one layer like this. We're going to be kind of like squashing it down to try and like make this bowl shape. Like this, which obviously is not going to hold right now. And then once it's like that, we're simply going to squash it down, so it's almost like a square base origami. And then after that, obviously we want to decorate the snowball a bit, so we're going to take a pair of scissors and we're just gonna like snip it in random places, so it doesn't have to be perfect, like I said. And like what's great about this is that you have confetti like afterwards as well, so you'll have like snowballs and you'll also have this. So it's like, this is a very sustainable kind of origami. It's like reusing old bits of paper and reusing every tiny bit of this. We're going to like open it back up, okay, like this, so it's looking like a oddly snowflake right now, and simply we're going to scrunch it up. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. So obviously the size of snowball depends how you want it, really. So if you wanted a bigger snowball, you could make it not too tight and compact, as you're scrunching it, you can make it more loose so there's no gaps in between. So like that, or if you want it like smaller, you can like really scrunch it up, compact it, put all your feelings into it from this whole long year. And yeah, you could have a smaller snowball like this, or what you could do is like, you know, add another piece of paper on top if you wanted it bigger and scrunch it up over that. That's another way to make it bigger. And then afterwards you also have this confetti still, so that's great. It's like a 2-in-1 origami. So yeah, that's really it. It's really simple to make, and you could like make lots of this and decorate around your room, because right now I have no decorations besides those Christmas lights up there which my friend got me. And I was like, I don't even have a Christmas hat, I'll just put my bow on from Pride back in summer that I wore once, and now it's just in my room as decoration. So like I said, you could use other stuff as well. Like I can demonstrate what you can do with this. You can scrunch this up. Obviously, since this was like double layered, this envelope, so it's tight to hold. But you can like make so many different things, like a brown snowball for like, so yeah, I can even do it with one hand. Like if you, it's like been stepped on the snow after, you can make it brown snowball. Like, you know, the next day after everyone's like trying it, after playing with it, and you're like, that's a bit nasty. Yeah, so like a brown snowball, white snowball, and you can like make so many of this and decorate. It's so easy to make. Anyone can make this. And yeah, so a great little Christmas decoration for you guys. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.